Welcome back to Channel Auto Drive Hub is your go-to channel for the latest car models, in-depth reviews, and industry updates, bringing you the best in automotive content. The 2025 Toyota Camry is here with a refreshed design, advanced technology, and improved performance, making it one of the most exciting sedans in its segment. Toyota has worked on enhancing both aesthetics and functionality, ensuring a premium experience for drivers and passengers alike. The exterior features a sleek, modern look with sharper lines and a bolder front grille that gives it a more aggressive stance. The LED headlights and taillights have been redesigned to provide better visibility and a stylish touch. The alloy wheels come in new designs, adding to the car's overall appeal. Toyota offers a variety of color options, allowing buyers to choose a shade that best suits their personality. Under the hood, the 2025 Camry continues to offer multiple powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The standard engine is a fuel-efficient yet powerful 4-cylinder unit, while the more performance-oriented trims come with a robust V6 engine. Toyota has also improved its hybrid variant, providing a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The hybrid system has been fine-tuned to deliver better fuel economy without compromising on performance. The transmission system has been optimized to offer smooth and responsive gear shifts, making the driving experience more engaging. The suspension has been adjusted for a comfortable ride while maintaining excellent handling, ensuring stability on different road conditions. Inside, the cabin is designed to offer a premium feel with high-quality materials and advanced features. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort, with available options like leather upholstery and power-adjustable settings. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making every drive enjoyable. Toyota has also integrated a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time information in a clear and intuitive manner. The climate control system has been enhanced for better air circulation and passenger comfort. Additional features like ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof add to the luxurious feel of the interior. Safety remains a top priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Camry comes equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies. The Toyota Safety Sense suite includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These technologies work together to enhance overall safety and provide peace of mind while driving. The car's structure has been reinforced to improve crash protection, and multiple airbags are strategically placed throughout the cabin. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system make maneuvering in tight spaces easier and more convenient. Toyota has also focused on improving visibility with better designed windows and mirrors. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the 2025 Camry, especially with its hybrid variant. The improved battery technology and regenerative braking system help maximize fuel savings. Toyota has fine-tuned the aerodynamics of the vehicle to reduce drag, contributing to better mileage. Whether it's city driving or highway cruising, the Camry offers an optimal balance of power and efficiency. The hybrid model is particularly appealing for eco-conscious drivers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. Connectivity and convenience features have also been upgraded in the new Camry. The infotainment system now supports over-the-air updates, ensuring the latest software enhancements without the need for dealership visits. Wireless charging and multiple USB ports make it easier to keep devices powered on the go. The voice recognition system has been improved for better accuracy, allowing drivers to control various functions hands-free. Toyota has also introduced a smart key system that enables remote start and door locking through a mobile app. The driving dynamics of the 2025 Camry have been refined to offer a smoother and more engaging experience. The steering system is responsive, providing better control and precision. The braking system has been enhanced for more effective stopping power, ensuring safety in emergency situations. Toyota has also worked on reducing cabin noise, making long drives more comfortable and enjoyable. The car's overall balance between performance, efficiency, and comfort makes it an excellent choice for daily commuting as well as long-distance travel. Toyota offers multiple trim levels for the 2025 Camry, allowing buyers to choose a version that suits their needs and budget. From the base model with essential features to the fully loaded premium trim with all the latest technology, there is a Camry for everyone. Customization options are available, including different interior color schemes and accessory packages. Toyota's reputation for reliability and durability makes the Camry a smart investment for those looking for a long-lasting vehicle. If you're considering a mid-size sedan that combines style, technology, and efficiency, the 2025 Toyota Camry is definitely worth checking out. It brings together everything that makes a car enjoyable to drive while maintaining Toyota's legacy of dependability. Whether you're looking for a family car, a daily commuter, or a fuel-efficient hybrid, the Camry has a variant that will meet your expectations. For more automotive updates, car reviews, and industry news, make sure to subscribe to Auto Drive Hub and stay tuned for the latest content.